big people here, and I feel so humble and privileged to be here talking in front of so many big people. And first of all, Kenabachela, and Tawala, and and everybody, and thank you so much for making our reimagining our home. So I'm just gonna take a brief time and tell you guys about the importance of water and why conservation of water is very important for us. So I joined this reimagining 3 years back, and when I studied their vision and mission of this association, I was very much interested because it deals with the real existential threat. So basically, I'm a resident of this community. Now I believe that this community, with the support of all you guys, is going to be a thriving community because what we have shown about how to conserve water is not only through cash or kind, it's also about the dedication and compassion within you. So, thank you. So I'm sure that all of you are aware about the water, right? Water is in 3 forms. We have in solid, which is in ice and glaciers, and the liquid which we drink, and the gas like vapor. So I'm just gonna skip this a little bit and show you about the model which we have executed and demonstrated, which was a successful one, and the pilot project was constructed, at Ratin Monastery. And the project was executed by Ratin Monastery administrators, and with the support of Kerabachela, with your guidance, we feel more energetic. And personally, myself, I feel that we should do some more. We should do some more. So, as you all are aware, I guess I'm going to take it to a little elementary. So here, as we all are aware about the importance of water, right? So the water is always there. It always goes evaporate, condense, precipitate, and it goes back to the ground. So basically, water circulation is every time. There's no scarcity of water at all. But the scarcity is that the 70% water which you see earth as blue is not really drinkable water or not suitable for agriculture use as well. So for that we need to purify and everything like that, which is going to be a huge bandwidth required. So having said that, the model which we have demonstrated is a rooftop cum borewell recharge. So the model, I believe, I'm just going to show you a small things which are required. So basically here we can see why do we need water, right? So as you can see, we need to grow food, to keep clean, provide water, control fire. Last but not the least, we need to stay alive. But I think it's more than that. Water is talking to us through droughts and floods. I'm sure that India, as per the latest Niti Aayog report, what does it say? It is a very scary one. By 2020, 7 major cities of India is going to get dry, including Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, and of course, population is a major, big elephant in the room. So I'm sure that all these use water, but just to throw back, where do you use water the most, and why, and how we can. So basically, water conservation is not only for conserving water or storing water, it also implies about using the water wisely. That's why we have to go through this 3R policy, which is recharge, retain, and reuse. So, and I'm sure, groundwater, we feel that it's free, but trust me, groundwater is a very common pool of resource, which every stakeholder, participation of stakeholder is key to a sustainable and effective management of our groundwater. So basically, what we have demonstrated rather is that what we are doing is not just rocket science, and it's just a small thing like a 7th grade experiment which I just watched on YouTube. And so it's a very simple one, how we can conserve water. So washing dishes by hand, don't let while rinsing, and run your clothes So these are the small things which we need to be aware. You know, as I mentioned earlier, water is talking to us through floods and droughts. So here, small tips how you can conserve water and how you can be a part of compassionate people who cares not only for yourself but also for the community and also for the next generation to thrive. So here, when you brush the water, normally I believe that most of us do not, think much about when you are brushing the teeth. But sometimes people do that. So fixing the leak cap, that's a major element of. So taking a bucket, or I'm sure this is the third one, using the washing machine. I'm sure most of them have a laundry washing machine. So here's the trick: like instead of top load, you can go for front load. So that's how you can save some water as well. So these are the small things which you can try and have fun with it. So these are the models which we have executed the pilot project one, and the material required for the water conservation, which we demonstrated as a pilot, was a successful one because wherein the dried up bore well has been rejuvenated, and also other bore wells which we have implemented the same model, we have seen a tremendous increase in pressure. That shows that the groundwater reserve is filling up. So I'm sure that there are so many things to do, and there are so many ways to conserve water. But this is just a small one which we have demonstrated. And so these are the small few things like locally available materials, big stones, 40 mm jelly, 20 mm jelly stones, and some sands required, and cement ring for purification. And yeah, so this is how it works. So you have a bore well, you excavate it like a normal trench, 10 by 10 by 10, and once you excavate it, you perforated the casing pipe. So when you perforate the casing pipe, the water can seep in. And see, in water we have the two quality parameters which we most look into. There is quality and quantity. So we want water, but we don't want wastewater. We want fresh water, which is good for human consumption, for animals, and for the irrigation as well. So we perforate the casing pipe and cover it with nylon mesh so that we do not want any debris or unwanted particles to enter inside and go to the aquifers. So we do that. And these are the cement rings for purification. And yeah, of course, with regards to our project, since ours is a bottom-up, we have got a tremendous support from all the stakeholders wherever we have installed the project. So starting from volunteers from mountains, volunteers from camps. So yeah, so these are pipes conduits from the rooftop. You conduce the pipe, channelize it directly to the bore, and bore well recharge looks like this at the end. And this is like a storage tank. And this is a clean roof water which is recharging the bore well. Normally the same water is going to be a flood. It's going to be a running water. But now we are capturing it and harvesting it and then putting it back where it belongs. And this is of course me, and he is Mr. Sikandar, who he runs an NGO called Sankalpa Rural Development Society in Hubli. So I was very inspired about him, like the way he did it, how he rejuvenated almost like 700 bore wells in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and others as well. So yeah, we are wasting too much water, right? Now this is time for us. Now, of course, you. So this is just a funny line, just so it's a good one. So please, there's a meaning behind it, right? So. And yeah, so I'm just, and yeah, of course, the major support has been Tibet Fund and Katilan. Thank you so much for supporting us. Jolan, thank you so much. And old and infant people home, and Nagikata Water Project. Yeah. So now it's our duty to share the same knowledge to our Indian friends, Indian neighbors, who are also having a problem with water scarcity. So India has been a tremendous support for us. They've given us a land to stay, and of course, as a goodwill gesture, it's always important to share. So in water, we also the main thing is that when you do something and you do a successful one, it is always important that you should raise awareness and also sustain information sharing. That's also key. And that was funded by Dr. Anita Dudani, and she is a huge supporter for engineers. Unfortunately, she is not able to attend this event, but she has been a tremendous support, and from her and her friends, we have constructed 2 projects in Indian village, and Nadikata and Kopa. And also this year, we are now scaling towards a layman camp. And layman camp, we have spoken to all the stakeholders, right? Camp leaders, we talk about it, and then we ask like how's the situation of water in their camps. And they say that we have a problem with water. The last bore well is not yielding that much water. Now we have to build another bore well. So we used to recommend that this is like a never-ending story. It's not the real solution. The real solution should be like having one, make it sustainable. That's the key. And we have so much benefited, and I believe so far we have completed almost like 4,081 residents out of 16,000, which we say approximately in Duguling. 4,000 people plus has directly got benefited from the water recharge project directly, right? And indirectly, since we are not archaeologists, something like we don't see like what kind of aquifer is that? Is it a running one or is it a standalone one? So, but we feel that almost like 5,000 people or farmers indirectly that benefited from the project. So with this, I would like to conclude, and thank you so much for coming, and have a great evening. For us, and he's been a huge support, and unfortunately he has to go to Gaya, but he has informed me to thank all the people who are attending here and supporting the reimagining and making our home a thriving community, and I assure you that it's going to be a good one. Thank you.